What's up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. And today I'm joining you with no makeup on because we just about to get into this, okay? We're about to review the new Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy collection, which is like their new summer collection, and it's really cute, and it's very holographic, which is really cute, and it's pretty different from their previous collections, which is like the mermaid collection and then the golfaholic collection. Like, they're all like, whenever Wet n Wild like releases any kind of product, like collection, that is, they're usually holographic. I don't know why, but that's just their aesthetic. When you open the damn thing up, oh shoot, when you open it up, it comes with, oh shoot y'all, it comes with 3 blushes, 3 eyeshadow quads, 4 lip glosses, 2 eyeliners. Hey y'all, Future J here. I just want to say that my fat ass ate all the lip scrub. It was good as fuck, and yeah, I ate it all. So just don't even mind the lip scrub, y'all. Lip scrub and then a facial spray, which all came around to like around $30 for the price, which is not bad at all. I would say it's pretty good for all these products that you get. And I love Wet n Wild. I love their foundation, which I'm actually going to be using today, their foundation. And yeah, so if that's something you guys want to see, I might be doing a voiceover because I kind of have to move kind of quickly, so I might be doing a voiceover. But if that's something you guys want to see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all thought I forgot in my last video, hit that subscribe button, y'all, okay? And then that notification bell button as well to be notified for my future uploads, and give this video a like for support, you know, and it also helps me out a lot. And with that being said, you guys, let's just get into this video. That's the reason we do this. Baby, you better use it. Use your imagination. First thing I'm about to do, I'm about to give this primer thing water a try. This is a primer water. Y'all know I really don't use primer like that, but what the fuck? That's the mist. Smells like, I don't know. Okay, let's see. What does it smell like? I smelled this before. I smelled this before. I don't know. Hard to believe. Ugh. So I do have lip gloss on. I don't have to take that off right now because I want to give the lip scrub a try after I just prime my skin. I'm about to give the lip scrub a try. And the flavor is watermelon. Yeah, looking pretty good. Tastes like tastes pretty good. That's enough of me eating it. Y'all, like, I'm about to eat the whole product, okay? And I'm about to go ahead and do my brows off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so they sent us 3 eyeshadow quads to try out after I just got done with my base, by the way. And I'm about to do something kind of natural-esque. And oh my god, this thing is, see, Thomas Helper was right, this is hard to take off. Whew. So this is the Pasta La Costa baby one, and this is the Flock Party one, which is a really cute name, and this is the Stop Ruffling My Feathers. So I'm about to go in with the Pasta La Costa baby one. Okay, so this shade is like super powdery, and Hasta La Costa baby palette. Super powdery, you're going right back in there. I'm using the Stop Ruffling My Feathers palette, which isn't as powdery as that one, because these other shades are too light. These palettes are fucking annoying. I'm just doing a Thomas Halbert moment which is like a little pop of color right there. Okay, now for the rest of the face. So I'm going to take my Makeup Shack E40 brush, LA Girl Pro Face Powder in True Bronze, and take that and just set the rest of my face. I'm actually about to try out their eyeliner really quickly because I just want to see how it is. It's pretty. I'm going to take my Morphe Bronzer palette in Vlogger and chisel out these cheekbones. Also came out with 3 illuminating blushes, which is the first one is called Don't Ruffle, Don't Flutter Yourself. The first one is Don't Flutter Yourself. The second one is Dare to Soar. And the other one is Hummingbird Hype. So I'm not going to be swatching it for you guys though. I think I'm going to go in with Hummingbird Hype with my Makeup Shack T30 brush. Just coat it a lot on here because they're baked blushes. And I'm about to... What the fuck? It looks like I just put a highlighter on my cheek. I wouldn't call these blushes. I would call these like blush toppers. Go back in with my Morphe blush palette and coat that on top of this blush. Of this, you know, to try to tone down that highlight, the sheen that it gave me. So this is definitely the type of look that you would need with some lashes. So I'm about to put on some extra dramatic lashes. I'm about to take some of Boomin'. Hopefully I don't take that much. And I'm about to apply that because I like the way it applied to my skin 2 days ago when I applied it. And I have to do it while the sun is out, so. Oh my God, I put too much. Girl. Calm down. So they came out with, also for this collection, 4 lip glosses, which is one of them is called Pout of Paradise, which is this one, which is the one I'm pretty much gonna go for. The other one is called Shut the Pluck Up, which is this deep purple shade right here. Another one is called Featherless, which is like a coral nude. Another one is called Fly Gal, which is like a pinky nude, like a real pink, yeah. So I'm about to go in with the shade Featherless. I think it's called Featherless. No, Pout of Paradise, which is a nice, pretty orange. This is pretty. These are their Color Icon lip glosses, by the way. I don't know if I said that. Okay, you guys. So, we pretty much have everything on, everything that's from the collection on. Yeah. So I'm going to tell you guys what I think and my final thoughts about some of these products in this line. So. The primer water spray, I don't know. I don't know what to say about this, but the nozzle on here is pretty bad. Like, it's like a circle nozzle, like everything releases around it, but like it doesn't go directly on your face. So what I mean by that is like, it's just like in order to actually get the product on your face, you gotta tilt it so the ring can actually hit your face, because I tried to use it without it. You know, I tried to use it as a primer, but it just was not hitting my face, and I kind of was not okay with that. So it's pretty, you know, worth the price. The watermelon lip, the Perfect Pout lip scrubs, in the flavor watermelon. No, it's in the flavor Pecker Up. That's cute. But it's a bop. You know, a bop is a good thing. It's a good thing. It's pretty cute for what it is. I don't have the prices of everything individually, but you can purchase the things individually. And from what I know, it is limited edition. But it's pretty cute. I liked it. The flavor, it tastes pretty good. It tastes pretty good, and it kind of scrubbed my lips and exfoliated my lips pretty nicely as well. The eyeshadow quads. So I did not have really some shades in there that could work for my skin tone. I'm not that deep. I'm more of a medium skin tone, medium to deep skin tone. Yeah, some of the shades in like individual quads, like let me see. In this one, which is Hasta La Costa Baby, the shade up here is very powdery. That's the only shade I used. And the other shade right here I used in my inner tear duct. Yeah, it's very powdery. I didn't like it. So I tried to use a different shade from a different one. I don't even know where it's at right now. But yeah, and that was pretty deep for me. That was pretty deep for me, so it kind of worked kind of okay for me. The blushes, well, this blush is like specifically the one in Hummingbird Hype. I used it and it just looked like a highlight on my cheek. It didn't like give me a flush of color that I like, so I had to go into my Morphe 8W blush palette to actually give me some color. So you know, these are quite shimmery. It just went on as a highlight instead of like a shimmery blush. And I know what a shimmery blush is like, it looks like, because I used the Milani blush in Luminoso. That like works perfectly like as a shimmery blush. It gives me a nice flush of color and also adds a shimmer. So the eyeliners. Now, I actually put both eyeliners to work, and the eyeliner, I didn't even say the shades of the eyeliner. The one is called Gilded Wings and the one is called Winged and Wild. Winged and Wild, okay. And the Winged and Wild one I used to line my top lash line for my lashes, and then the Gilded Wings one I used in my inner corner to add more of a pop. So far these performed pretty okay, especially the matte one. That worked pretty well and I actually enjoyed it. So they're pretty okay. They're cute for what they are. And finally, the lip glosses. Now I have the lip gloss in the shade Pout of Paradise on right now, which is an orange shade. It's not sticky at all. Like, not sticky at all. When I watched Thomas Halbert's review on this, he kind of compared it to the Fenty Beauty gloss, and he said it's like even less stickier than that. So, and I heard that gloss is not sticky at all. So if it's even less stickier than that, y'all should definitely go pick this up. So my final review on the entire collection, I would say don't get it. It's a bad thing to say. The only things that are worth picking up in here, like actually worth the money, is the blushes and the lip glosses. The primer spray, the watermelon lip scrub is okay. You can just make a lip scrub if you want a lip scrub that bad. You could just make one. The eyeshadow palettes are not worth it at all. Do not pick those up at all. So I would say this entire collection is not worth it. It's not worth the money, but for what the price is, it's justifiable for the entire collection, because it's only like $36. So, in all the products that you get in here, it's pretty good. So, yeah. So, with that being said, you guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and, oh, shoot, y'all.